In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of examples of channels that are absolutely killing it. It's going to give you examples at home of what you can do to fast track your success on YouTube. I'm also going to show you a genius 10-minute video that made over $30,000. I mean, can you imagine that? Making almost a year's salary on just one 10-minute video? If you click the link down below that says early bird waitlist, you'll be taken to a page that looks just like this. Now, the reason you want to be on this waitlist is because I'm only letting in a small handful of people, and the people who sign up to this waitlist will get access one day before the public, which at that point it will probably be sold out. This is going to be the most massive thing I've ever released. Can't talk about it yet, but it's something that's going to change the game for making money on YouTube without making videos. As most of you who watch the channel know, I always talk to you guys about jumping on trends, okay? So what that means is when there's something big going on, you have to be one of the first ones to get in and make good content about it. So, for example, WrestleMania, some of you guys may know, I've got my Chris Jericho shirt on. WrestleMania is this weekend. I always look forward to WrestleMania, and so do a lot of other wrestling fans. So because of that, a lot of people are typing in all sorts of things dealing with wrestling on this weekend, okay? So if you go to YouTube and you type in WrestleMania 37 predictions, you'll see video after video. I mean, this one has 113,000 views in 21 hours, okay? And all they're doing is literally predicting who they think's going to win. And there is tons of videos, and they all have over 10,000 views. Okay, because this is a hot topic. We can keep on scrolling, and wrestling fans will sit here and watch through every freaking one of these videos. So if we go ahead and look at this, you'll see that all he's doing is putting in pictures, zooming in on it, and then just talking.
At Mania. However, the Red Brand has done a disgraceful job building up challenges for us.
So if you're a wrestling fan, you're someone who watches wrestling, this is something that you could literally talk about for hours, and you could easily make these videos. Or if your voice sucks, you could easily write a script because you know tons about this topic. So now if we go to this channel, we look at their top viewed. So just sort by most popular, you will see their top video, 8 wrestlers that you won't recognize. That's genius. That's something a lot of people are interested in.
Some wrestlers clearly haven't been visiting the gym in years and look same success directed to put however, and Riggs didn't mirror this.
So as you can see, all he's doing is talking about these wrestlers, showing the before and then showing the after, which is really easy to find. It's really easy to put together. Now this video has 10,608,579 views. So if we divide this number by 1,000 and we multiply it by about $3 per 1,000 views, this video has made at least $30,000. So literally, some of your guys' year salary, this guy made in literally 10 minutes. And so, I'm also a golf fan, which means the Masters is on this weekend, which is something else that's really exciting. So if you go in and you type in who will win the 2021 Masters, there's really not that many people that have done, like, what I would do is top 5 golfers who are guaranteed to win the Masters. Because then you're like, what? Guaranteed to win the Masters? And then make the thumbnail better. So this guy is kind of more doing the betting side of it. He's got 6.9 thousand views in 3 days, which is pretty good. The thumbnail's not great, but there's nobody that's just making videos about who will win the Masters. And so that's a missed opportunity. And so one example that I have for you is, say there's a player who is leading the Masters who no one really knows about. So for instance, Keegan Bradley. He's someone who's been on the tour for a really long time. If you go and look, you'll see that Keegan Bradley facts, okay? There's nothing about him, like, at all. But he is, I mean, the PGA Tour 8 years ago made this video. It's got 29,000 views. Now, if Keegan Bradley ends up, so say, this is just an example. So all of a sudden, Keegan Bradley starts leading in the leaderboards on the Masters, right? People are going to start searching, and Keegan Bradley's going to start going viral on the internet, which is going to shoot people to a video if there's something about Keegan Bradley that's getting a lot of views. So, say for instance, there's some guy that shouldn't be leading the Masters that is. It would be in your best interest that day to make like top 5 facts you didn't know about Keegan Bradley. Of course, it's super easy to just Google top 5 facts about Keegan Bradley. And in fact, I recommend doing this already. Do it for literally tons of different golfers that no one's done it for yet. So if we type in Justin Rose facts, Justin Rose is a very popular golfer, still nothing. So what I'm saying is that this works really well for NBA players, NFL players, and things like that. So there's a lot of people that love golf, so it would also work for golfers. Obviously, people that are interested in golf are not as interested in making these videos as people that are interested in NFL players and NBA players. So this could be a really good opportunity for one of you to take the reins and make this happen. And the reason why I'm showing you these two examples is because I'm interested in wrestling and I'm interested in golf. So I easily can come up with these ideas and show you guys these examples. What I'm saying is that you can do this same tactic in any niche that you enjoy personally. So maybe you enjoy carpentry. I'm sure you could rattle off tons of ideas of things that you could make on videos for carpentry that no one would even think of unless they like carpentry. This works, this same exact thing that I'm showing you, if you just think in your mind and stop just doing white noise like everybody else or motivation and start thinking, what am I interested in? What do I know a lot about? And then start searching YouTube, like deep diving searching YouTube of things that you know about this niche that not a lot of people know. And you can easily rattle off video ideas that have not been done yet. Then all you gotta do is grab some videos or photos from Google, and then, you know, do a small script, do some voiceover, and make these videos happen. So those are just a couple of examples of jumping on a trend that is happening this weekend that I enjoy personally, that would be a good idea for some of you, or just an example of how you could take it into your